Hello students, in this session we shall discuss the mole concept of the chapter Atoms and Molecules of class 9 science. So, mole concept. What is the mole concept? You see, I am simply showing if we say 1 dozen of any articles. 1 dozen means we can understand there are 12 number of articles of any articles. So this thing is can be compared to the mole concept. 1 mole of any particle, any atom, it may be atom, it may be molecules, it may be electrons. What would be the particles? 1 mole of any particle is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of articles. Alright, this is actually called Avogadro's constant. If you go through your book, you can find you will find it Avogadro's constant. It is named in the honor of an Italian scientist, Emilio Avogadro. Anyway, so this is in number articles in or any particles in number in 1 mole of that substance. This is the number contained in that 1 mole of that substance. Okay, so 1 mole of if we say 1 mole of say hydrogen atom or 1 mole of oxygen atom, then we can understand there are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of oxygen atoms or hydrogen atoms are there. Okay, all right. If we say molecule, 1 mole of hydrogen molecule or 1 mole of oxygen molecule, then we can understand that 6.02 into there are 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules are there. All right. If we say 1 mole of electron, then there are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of electrons. So this way we can relate the 1 mole. We can understand the 1 mole of any particles. Now, in terms of mass, if we have already seen that atomic mass and molecular mass, how to calculate the molecular mass with the help of atomic mass, molecular mass or molar mass. We have seen that. So mass of, if we say what is the mass of 1 mole of any atom, or how many what would be the mass of 1 mole of any particle, 1 mole of any atom or 1 mole of any molecules is nothing but, if it is an atom, say hydrogen atom, 1 mole of hydrogen atom is nothing but the atomic mass of hydrogen atom always. And if we say 1 mole of hydrogen molecule, then it is the molecular or molar mass of hydrogen atom. Similarly, suppose I am showing say H2O, okay, or say oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is atomic mass of oxygen, O means oxygen atom, is 16 gram. Okay, so this is the mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom is equal to 16 gram. Atomic mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom is the atomic mass of oxygen atom. Say if I consider H2O, the molecular mass H2O. So it is 1 into 2 plus 16, right? 18. This is the molecular mass of H2O or water. So if I say mass of 1 mole of water, then we shall write the molecular mass of or molar mass of water, that is equal to the molecular mass or molar mass of water. So I have shown you the two different examples, one in case of atom and one case of molecules. So this will be same for all the atoms and molecules. This way we can find. All right. Now I'm showing you the numerical sums. See these based on the mole concept, there are number of numerical sums are there that are frequently asked in your exams. So you must understand these numerical sums. These numerical sums are very tricky, you know. I'm showing you the blue question. I should start from the blue question. I'm showing you this sum first. See, you can refer in your book. First, you understand the question and properly. What is written? 1 mole of carbon atom weighs 12 gram. It is actually we can find from the 12 from the table 3.2, and it is all the atomic masses are given. So we know this, actually the atomic mass of carbon is 12, though it is here it is written 1 mole of carbon atom weighs 12 grams. Sometimes it may be written or may not be written. What is the mass in grams of one atom of carbon? So we have to find the mass of one atom of carbon. So number of atoms. One mole of carbon atom was, see, 1 mole of carbon atom equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of carbon atoms. Okay, and if I say the molecular mass, what is the mass of 1 mole of carbon atom is equal to the atomic mass of carbon, that is 12 gram. Okay, so 1 mole mass of 1 mole of carbon is 12 gram. So 1 mole equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of carbon atoms. So mass of 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of carbon atoms is equal to, must be equal to 12 gram. Alright, so this way we have to start. So we shall use the unitary method to find the results. So when you start, you start it very carefully. So this is actually in my book, it is page number 12. Yeah, sorry, page number 42. You can refer. So first we shall write 6.022. Sorry, mass is given. We have to find the number of atoms. No, sorry, mass. We have to find the mass. So mass of, just simply we shall write mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of carbon atoms is equal to 12 gram. 12 gram is the atomic mass of carbon. Okay, therefore mass of one carbon atom is equal to 12 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 gram. Therefore mass of, here we have to, we have to find the mass of one atom of carbon atom, one number of carbon atom, one atom of carbon. So just we have to simplify this. So 12 by 6.022 into 022 we can write, and this we can write by the law of exponent 10 to the power minus 23. Okay, now we have to calculate this. See, this 6 3.022. Further we can divide 3, it is it is 1.511. If you divide it by 12, you will get this. However, we need to divide 3 by 1.511. Okay, now you can use the decimal tricks to find the result. After all, in examination hall you have to complete the calculation in the stipulated time. So let's convert it. We'll make it simple. 1511. Okay, multiply numerator and denominator by 1000. So decimal will be removed, and this you write like this. Now we have to divide this 3000 by 1511. So now if I divide, it will be a decimal result. you can divide simply like this, 1511 by 3000. Okay, so it is one time 1489, then point 0 it will be 9 times. You have to multiply and by trial and error method and find the result. There is no other method. Okay, 291. Then it will be 1291. Subtraction is 1291. Okay, then it is 12910. Now it will be 8 times. See, 1511 into 8. Okay, this way. So again subtract. Again 0. So it is somehow 5 times. Anyway, 5 times. Anyway, we won't proceed again. We shall consider just 2 place after decimal. It will be easier. So as after 2 place the 5 is there, so if 5 and more than 5 is there, then we shall add 1 to the previous digit. So 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So this calculation is very clumsy, and by at any cost you have to carry out in the stipulated time in the examination. This is the main things actually. The formula and the understanding is not so difficult, but calculation, to carry out the calculation in the stipulated time is very difficult. So be very careful while doing this. So I am showing another example. You see number 10 from your exercise. See here from your exercise, you go through this number 10. This question, you first read the question. Calculate the number of molecules of sulfur S8 present in 16 gram of sulfur. Okay, so acid molecules is given acid, and atomic mass of sulfur is 32. So first you find molecular mass of S8 is equal to 32 into 8. Okay, 256 gram. Now we have to find the number of molecules present in 16 gram of sulfur. So this is the molecular mass of sulfur. So in the this is the mass of 1 mole. Sorry, not 1 mole. 6.02 into 10 to the power 10 to the power 23 number of molecules are there in this number of in this mass. So in this sum we have to find the number of molecules. So 256 gram of S8 is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules. Then 1 gram of sulfur S8 is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 256. Therefore 16 gram of S8 is equal to 16 divided by 256. Now we can divide. Simply it is 16, and we can further divide 280 3.011 24 sorry, we cannot proceed it further. It is not divisible by 2. 3.011 and it is 8. So we must divide 3.011 divided by 8. Simply divide it. So result will be 0.376 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules. Now see, we need to write the answer in the standard form or scientific form. So in standard form the decimal must move one place to the here after 3. So if we multiply this decimal number by 10, then result will be 3.76 into 10 to the power, as we have taken 110 from 10 to the power 23, there will be 10 to the power 22. This is this number of molecules. After this way you have to do like this. This will be the complete answer. Otherwise you may get the deducted, your marks may get deducted. Okay, so in standard form you have to express this. So this way you can do this. Okay, thank you.